Hello everybody, for today's video mga kabyukoners, Michelle Marquez D ng Philippines finally dumating na sa El Salvador at dinumog pa ng mga tao para sa Miss Universe 2023. Narito ating silipin.
Welcome to Miss Universe 2023. I am so excited. To all of my kababayans that are watching, please don't forget to support me and my journey. All of the girls here are so amazing and I can't wait to take you all along with my journey.
Mga Byokoneras, don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa aming mga bagong videos.